Hi, I'm Mr. Eric Tang. Today we will talk more about data type and print statement. In this program, I declare an integer variable I and store a value of 2 into it. The first printf statement is just to print out some words. In the second printf statement, we see we have 2 input arguments to this function. We see that here is a %d in the first argument. It means that instead of just printing out some words, we want to print out an integer data at this position. This %d is in fact called a placeholder of an integer. The second input argument is the corresponding data for this placeholder. In this case, the value stored in I. Let's run the program. You can see the %d here is replaced by the value in variable I. Now, I declare another variable in floating point number. I type float f. Float here means floating point number data type. I assign f to 3.4 now. I copy and paste this printf statement here and try to output the value of f. Now I change I to f here. I run it again. You can see it is not 3.4 here. Why? Let's go back to our program. The reason is that this printf statement is very strict in data type. If you remember that %d here means integer, but here we provide a data in floating point number. Therefore, we have this kind of error. If we want to output a floating point number, we must use %f here instead of %d. Let's change it. Let's run the program again. It's okay now. Let's try 2 more examples. Now, let me copy this printf 2 more times. Okay. This time, I put the data here directly. I put a character y here. As you know, this is a character y in character data type. For character data type, the placeholder should be %c. Now I change it to %c here. Now I put a string here. A good day. Okay. For string, the placeholder should be %s. Let's run it again. It seems good. Let's see one more example. I copy and paste the printf statement here. Now I change I here to an expression like 2.2 *5. Star means multiplication in C. I run it again. The result here is 0. Do you know what's happened? Since 2.2 is a floating point number, and in C language, we will get a floating point number if our expression contains any floating point number. Therefore, we should change this %d to %f. Okay, we run it again. Good. Today, we have learned more on data type and printf. See you in the next video. Goodbye.